Hey everybody, welcome back to What to Wear here and there. And if you are new here, welcome. If you are new here, you don't know, but I am your gracious host, Lashana. And if you aren't new here, if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back and hanging out with me. It's been such a joy and a pleasure to share with you all. And so just to round out this vlog for the week, there's just a ton of good things in there. I'm all over the place. You guys know I'm still getting the hang of this, but thanks for going along with me. There's a ton of fun things to see, at least from my perspective, and I appreciate you going along for the ride. So stay along, grab your coffee, your chai tea latte, or a bottle of water, and let's get into this video. Hey ladies, hey gents. Well, we are about to head out now, so wish me luck on finding some cute pieces. It started out as a nice sunny day, but now you see behind me, it's a little distorted. It's kind of like hit or miss, but I'm still going. It's cool out, lovely fall type of day, so I'm excited to get on the road. So I will be checking back in later. Bye for now. It's fall in my home. Hey everybody. Oh, the lighting is horrible. It is horrible. I'm sitting in my car in traffic. Don't know why I thought I'd come out this time of day, but we're at a red light, and I just wanted to pose the question: what are some things that you will turn all the way back around and go home, even if you're already like 20 miles from home for? You know, I know the phone is like the big thing that we'll turn around for, but what else do you go back home for? I've turned around and gone back home for my earrings and lip gloss. Let me know in the comments below. That feels nice and hardy. Look at that. These are cute. Look at these pretty coat dresses, coat jackets, whatever. These are nice. I like the gray. And they have these with the plaid. Looks kind of nice. All right, we're in Express. Oh, look at this cute little dumpling bag they have. Very cute. Sandals. I like this. Giving a little Bottega vibe. Matches this pretty little blouse here. I like it. So I need to check out some of the denim now that I'm in Express Partner. This is a beautiful color coat. Look at that. I had one like this years ago. Maybe I should invest in it again. Okay, we are here in the try-on. Nothing big about that. here. Pieces. I feel like Janet Jackson in Levitation. What do y'all think of this look? Well, it's Christmas and Halloween all at the same time here at Nordstrom Rack. Clay, Tweed, by Laundry. Check that out. So pretty. I love this blazer. I don't think that the camera's doing it any justice. This is gorgeous and it feels so nice. Should I get it? So you know that leather is everywhere. The faux leather. These are really cool. I like the boot cut or the straight cut style. These are blank NYC. And they are $49.99. And they have black ones also. Cute. Loving the jackets they have as well. I really love this beige. Such a good neutral. Okay, it's $69.99. Nice in the black as well. Hey guys, so I'm done at the mall. I did not find what I was looking for at Express, so I have some time. I have a deadline at the end of the month to get the content in, so I think I'm just gonna hold off on that, not, you know, press the issue. I always hate when I'm ready to buy something and it's just not there. I don't find what I'm looking for. So anyway, I just left Starbucks for the second time. No, not for the second. Yeah, for the second time. I went in the mall and I asked for a pumpkin cream cheese muffin, and the girl looked at me like I asked her for a light bright stars shining sprinkly something muffin. Like, I don't know what she thought I asked for. And one of her colleagues was like, yeah, just look in the bag. And she went to the end of the counter, looked in a little bag like this, opened it up, folded it back, and was like, yeah, we have them. And I'm like, oh, it was just in the bag, just sitting like that? No, that's old and I don't want it. So then I came across the street to another one. Thankfully there was like a standalone one across from the mall because I really wanted a pumpkin cream cheese muffin and a strawberry acai lemonade. So it looks so good, doesn't it? Yum, yum, yum. So now I'm about to head home. I need to go to the grocery store and get some meat for dinner for tomorrow, for Sunday dinner, and start cooking and editing a vlog that I started on last week. So hopefully I can get those things done and then relax, do my hair for church tomorrow. All right. Until the next opening, I'm working on transitioning better because most of the times I'm like, bye for now, and then I'm like, hey guys, and it's like, it's all in the same vlog. So bear with me, I'm getting there. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you along the way. Headed home. Hey guys, so this is my local farmers market. Look at the cute pumpkins and gourds over there, and the mums that I can never keep alive to save my soul. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Yep, this is our local farmers market. So about to go in here and grab some lettuce. That's all I need, lettuce. Oh, let's look at the pumpkins. They're so pretty. It smells like fall. Really smells like fall. Look at that, it's so gorgeous. Pumpkins everywhere. Makes me want a pumpkin spice latte. Oh, these are the ugly ones. I don't like those. Those are nasty looking to me. Look at the corn. That is so cool. Deer corn. These pretty gourds. Alright, so here we are going inside right now. It's a fun place to be. I love coming here. It's so neat. Look, they have big old muscadines. And they have their own apple cider. Fun. Alright. Snacks. And then all this. Cool. So we are here at Springfield Mall. Look at my daughter over there. I think you can see her. I'm gonna fix that again. Let's see. Target. Hey everybody, we are in Target, Springfield Mall. There's Gabrielle. Say hi. So we'll check back in later. Bye for now. We are at the mall again. stuff in there. This mall is not the greatest, but it has some good stuff in it. So here we go. What are you wearing? She's getting used to this thing. Here's my dress again. Let's go up to the register. There's some good denim, maybe. I'm listening. I'm listening. You know, always put music in. That's pretty.
You do like put your thumb in the thing to a
Oh, nice. This feels really good. My daughter's over there shopping. All right, that sums it up, you guys. I really appreciate you guys for being here with me. Again, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Save this video for future entertainment or for future inspiration. I'd love for you guys to follow me over on Instagram at What to Wear Here and There. Please go there and click that link. You'll see there is a voting that's going on right now as a fab over 40 woman. I've been entered into a contest, and so it's just been really fun kind of sharing my thoughts on what makes me fabulous over 40 and, you know, all those good things. So if you can or will, head over there or to my Facebook page, What to Wear Here and There, and vote for your sis. I really appreciate you all for watching. Again, not going to belabor the time, so that you'll come on back and join me again on the next go round. So until the next time, peace and blessings. Bye for now.